A journalist on Deadline asks an AI assistant for a statistic. She gets an answer, but she has no idea where that number came from. That's a problem. State-sponsored networks like Russia's Pravda deliberately flood the internet with disinformation to contaminate these models, a technique called LLM grooming. NewsGuard found that in 33% of queries, major chatbots repeated this disinformation as fact. Verifacta fixes that. Let me show you. Same question, both sides. A number. No indicator code, no source link, no way to verify it. If this number was groomed, and a third of the time it is, the journalist would never know. Now watch the same question in Verifacta. I'm asking in Spanish because the demo is built with Latin American newsrooms in mind, but Verifacta replies in whatever language you use. Watch what it's doing. First, it searches the official World Bank catalog to find the exact indicator that matches my question. It's not guessing. It's resolving plain language to a real indicator code. Then it retrieves the data from the Data 360 server, live. Not from memory, not from training data. That number reached your screen less than a second after it left the World Bank. And here's the answer. A verified number with the indicator, the database, the year, the source. Everything a sub-editor would ask for, already there. This is the claim card, the heart of Verifacta. Every answer generates one automatically. It carries the verified statement, the indicator code, the source database, a timestamp, and a hash, a cryptographic fingerprint of this exact answer. The card is embeddable. Think of it like a YouTube video, but for a verified fact. Here it is in a tweet or an X. The source travels with the data, even as a preview, even if someone screenshots it. The fact carries its own proof of origin. But the most important feature isn't what Verifacta answers, it's what it refuses to. Breaking news. No official World Bank indicator for this yet. A regular chatbot would improvise something. Verifacta refuses, and instead suggests the closest verified indicator with a rephrased question I can paste in immediately. It never hallucinates. For a journalist, a tool that says, "I don't know, honestly," is more valuable than one that always has an answer. Behind every answer, there's a full audit trail captured automatically, so a newsroom can verify accuracy at scale and catch failures before they reach a reader. And the foundation is open. Verifacta runs on the same Data 360 server the World Bank itself publishes. We built the conversational agent, the anti-fabrication rules, and the claim card on top, and contributed a feature back upstream. Any newsroom, any country can build on this same foundation. It's not just an app, it's public infrastructure. Behind every Verifacta answer, this is what we see. Every step the agent took, in order. Each step is labeled with what the agent decided to do. Find Argentina's country code, search for the GDP indicator, fetch the data, write the final answer. No black box. AND attached to every run, the cryptographic hash, the indicators that were cited, the verification status. If a number ever looks wrong, even months from now, we can trace it back, end to end, and prove what the agent actually did. That's how a newsroom builds trust at scale, and the foundation is open. Verifacta runs on the same Data 360 server the World Bank itself publishes. We built the agent, the anti-fabrication rules, and the claim card on top, and contributed a feature back upstream. It's not just an app, it's public infrastructure. Verifacta addresses exactly what this challenge calls mission critical, making trustworthy data discoverable by AI and impossible to contaminate. Journalists are the users. Their readers are the scale. A single newsroom can carry one claim card to millions of people, each one able to click through to the original World Bank source. Verified data, conversationally accessible, cryptographically provable. That's Verifacta.